In today's video, I am going to teach you how to quickly select nested layers in Figma. If you've ever tried to click a tiny icon inside a button or a shape buried in multiple groups, you know how frustrating it can be. Let's make that fast and precise. Start by opening your design in Figma and bringing the frame or component you want to work on into view. We'll use 3 reliable techniques to target exactly what you need without tearing apart your layer hierarchy. First, use Deep Select with a click. Hold Command on a Mac or Control on Windows, then click directly on the object you want. Even if that object is several levels deep inside frames, groups, or components. This shortcut jumps straight to it. You'll see the selection box and the layer name update, confirming you've grabbed the right thing. If you accidentally nudge something, just undo and try again. Making sure you click rather than drag. This is perfect for grabbing icons, background shapes, or text nested inside a more complex component without expanding anything in the interface. Next, when multiple layers overlap in the same spot, use the Layer menu. Hold Command on a Mac or Control on Windows and right-click. Where the layers stack, you'll get a list of all layers under your cursor at that position. Choose the exact layer by name and Figma will select it immediately. This method is especially handy for dense areas, tiny handles, or when similarly sized objects sit on top of each other. If names are clear and consistent, you'll move even faster. Finally, learn the keyboard navigation for moving through hierarchy. With any group, frame, or component selected, press Enter to go one level deeper and select its child. Press Enter again to go deeper still. If you go too far or want to step back out, press Shift plus Enter to select the parent. Think of Enter as drilling down and Shift plus Enter as climbing back up. Keep an eye on the layer name in the top bar to confirm where you are in the structure. You can mix these methods for speed. Start with a Command or Control click to jump close to your target. Then tap Enter to move one level further in. Or Shift plus Enter to step out. When things overlap and clicking is ambiguous, call up the right-click layer list and pick exactly what you need. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.